Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to sign up for MyBambu account. To sign up for MyBambu, you'll first need to go ahead and launch open the MyBambu application if you've already installed it on your device. If you don't have it yet, go to your App Store or your Play Store and download the application on your preferred devices. Once the application is installed, tap on the app icon from the app drawer and then you will be able to launch open MyBambu application. MyBambu is a financial management platform that offers tools and features to help users manage their finances more effectively. It includes budgeting tools, expense tracking, goal setting, and possibly even investment option or advice. To sign up and get started for MyBambu, go ahead and click on the Create Account button from the first interface. You will likely be asked to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and create a password. Remember that you will need these following documents ready in order to complete signing up and registering for your account. You must have a government-issued ID, United States address, email address, and a phone number. Tap on the Create Account button at the bottom once you have all of these documents ready. In the Create Account button, type in your first name and then your last name on the next field. Make sure you enter an email address that you have access to and then re-enter the email address in the Confirm Email text box. Once you get to the next field, you will need to create a password for your account. Type in a strong password and re-enter the password in the Confirm Password text field. Once the passwords in both of the text boxes matches, tap on I am 18 years old or above at the bottom and tap on I have read box at the bottom. Finally, click on Create Account at the very bottom of the screen and allow MyBambu to access your location by tapping Continue. Soon after you follow through the instructions and all of the necessary credentials, you will then be able to complete your account creation process. So that is how you will be able to sign up for MyBambu in just a couple of steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.